What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today, we're back with another project car that's about to be finished. We are here with my 1988 Ford Mustang GT. We're about to drop it off at Maaco at 1740 Atchison Drive here in Norman, Oklahoma. This car is one of my absolute favorites. I love it, but it's looking pretty rough. You know, it's wearing its original paint from 1988. It's got its original stripes from 1988, and she's looking a little tired. And I'm hoping that when they're done with it, it's going to look just a little bit better. I'm going to show you where the defects are so that you can see the before and the after. It doesn't look half bad. It doesn't look half good either, but it doesn't look half bad. What we've got here is somebody painted, we've got so much like clear burned off on here. Then somebody tried to spray it with like a flat black. I don't know. We've got lots of chipping and yellowing on the bumper. Lots of this stuff going on right here. Then you've got the stripe. A lot of people said this was not factory. It's factory. It is 100%. I was able to look it up. I was able to confirm these stripes. They had like red, white, and blue. All right, and these were not super common, but this was a factory option. We got a little ding right here. It's not too bad, but I'd like them to take care of that. And then there was another one. There's like this couple little rust. I don't know, like somebody got a deep scratch. That'll all be cleared up. Some more scratches under here as well from probably fingernails or something. There's another one here. Obviously, that'll get covered up as well. And I think the biggest damage, we're missing the oval on the trunk. Definitely want that. But we've got these dings here. They're not awful, but it kind of looks, if you look, doesn't it match up with this on the bumper? Straight up. Somebody backed into something. And again, with the stickers just peeling off on this. All right, we are not going to be asking Maaco to make this car absolutely perfect. This is not going to be Barrett Jackson ready, in my opinion. Well, I don't know. So you see some things if you go out there. Not everything's perfect out there, but she's tired. You see all the discoloration here? The paint is just, it's really, really tired. And I don't know if they'll be able to do anything with these back windows or not. They don't work. They've never worked. That one over there doesn't seal at all. It's like too far back. It needs to go that way. There's a whole adjustment procedure. It's a major pain. But I figure if anybody knows someone that can do this, it's going to be these guys over here. They've been in the business, even though this is a new location, they've been in this business for over 30 years. All right, so they know what they're doing and they got a lot of contacts. So here she is, my 1988 Ford Mustang. There's a little ding there. Depending on what it costs to fix each one, I may go ahead and have them just, I want it to look really good. I do. I want it to look really, really nice because I want the next owner of this car to be proud of it, to be able to show it off and really enjoy it without any worries. I've got new tires for it already that'll get put on after the paint job. That way, if there's any overspray that gets on them, I don't have to worry about it. And we need to get new windshield wipers. This car is so fun to drive. It looks absolutely everywhere. There's something about the classic interior on this thing too, man. This it's kind of like that tweed that Nissan used. You know what I mean? And I've got that new stripe kit right here, so you can see how much brighter blue this is going to be than what's on it currently. This interior is actually in excellent condition. I get a lot of flack from people. Oh, it's an automatic. Oh, it's a convertible. I don't know, man. This car is so enjoyable to just take out and drive with the top down, not have to worry about a clutch or anything like that. Just throw it in gear, drive it down the road, and enjoy it. I'm going to get Paul out here. We're going to find out what kind of damage this is going to cost, financial damage this is going to cost to make her look good again. And then we'll come back and we'll leave her here and pick her up when it's done. We are back. Now, it's been a while. I've had a lot of you asking what happened to the Mustang GT. And listen, you can't be impatient if you're wanting something to come out looking this good. Okay, I'm going to move it back into the sunlight for you because sitting in the shade does not do it justice. They nailed this one, man. They freaking nailed this one. And the blue stripe, you guys remember The blue stripes had pretty much peeled off. They were falling off. It was so rough. And you remember, these windows didn't seal. You remember that? These windows would not close. The windows are fixed. Both back windows are fixed now. Oh, it smells like fresh paint. Oh, it smells so good. They even left the remaining, this is the I bought this from like factory. I don't remember who it is that sells it now, but this is the original equipment sticker stuff that they used. Sounds so good. Sounds so good. And yes, the air conditioning works. And a lot of people are going to be wondering what I'm going to be doing with this car. Oh, stay tuned. I'm probably going to sell it. I don't know why it's idled so damn high. Hopefully that clears up soon. There it goes. She'll get there. Oh, thank you for that air conditioning. It is a hot one today. There it is. There it is. This is such a beautiful car. Let me get it into the sunlight so you guys can really see it. Are y'all ready for this? Will you just... Oh, wow, man. The color just pops so much on this thing, man. I mean, look at the sparkle in the paint. Are you kidding me? This thing is absolutely gorgeous. And again, that blue, and the way it's two-toned, it's like this gorgeous silver on the bottom, and then like a dark metallic gray on the top, and you got that blue line just kind of dividing it right down the middle. A lot of people said that was not factory, that was aftermarket. It is actually factory. Go look for yourself, look around, and you will find they put red, white, and blue. Those are the only three colors. America, they used red, white, and blue as the sticker down the middle to separate these contrasting colors. Again, Maaco knocks it out of the park, man. Every freaking time, these guys kill it. Listen to that. This is gorgeous. I need to get a blue oval for the back. I forgot about that. I need to get that, and I got some brand new tires for it at the house. These are old tires. I'm going to put some fresh tires on this thing. We just look at this. God, it's gorgeous. Listen, I don't know how they do what they do. I'm just thankful that they do what they do, right? Oh my goodness. What a beautiful car. Maaco, thank you again so much. Paul, Sean, and all the people that are out here working their backsides off to take these cars and make them look new again. This is why Nick's car, which is now wrecked, it was not wrecked when I started this video, but it is now wrecked from him hitting a deer. His own personal car, we bring it here. All right, all of my personal stuff comes here. Well, it doesn't matter if it's a business car or if it's personal, it comes here. And if you want to know where here is, well, it's right here. Maaco, North America, 1740 Topeka Drive. This is in Norman, Oklahoma. You can reach out to Paul or Sean. Tell them Randy from YouTube sent you. They'll know who I am. And they will be more than happy to take care of you. So many of you have seen so many of the vehicles that I have brought here. They have gotten a lot of business, a lot of happy, satisfied customers, people that have brought vehicles from Chicago. In fact, I just met one of my subscribers' moms here. She brought her Mercedes here after her son saw the G-Wagon video, and she brought her Volkswagen Beetle here. So she brought two vehicles here. She just drove the ML home. She came over, took a picture with me for her son, and she took her ML home. She said, thank you. She's so happy that I turned them on to Maaco. So listen, doesn't matter where you live in the country. It's worth the money to get your vehicle brought down here to Maaco in Norman, Oklahoma. So I thought we ought to take this thing for just a quick rip up and down the block. We'll drop the top as well, make sure these back windows are working properly. Can you just appreciate how beautiful this car is? I mean, it is truly it's in great shape. It's in great shape. It's not perfect, but it's in great mechanical and cosmetic condition. We're gonna turn that air conditioning off because we ain't gonna need that anymore. Power top. Open that. Open that. Close the door. Let's roll down the windows. Now let's check these back windows real quick. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's nice. it just ain't right if you can't get the back windows down. You know, the car just doesn't look right without the back windows down. Oh, come on now. I want to take this to town, man. I want to take this. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Get out of here, man. This is an absolutely beautiful and iconic car right here, man. I am really gonna miss this one. This is one I'm gonna hate to see go. Oh my goodness. I don't want to get rid of it. I could keep it. I don't have to get rid of it. Nothing is forcing me to sell this car. I just don't see the point in it sitting around here. I've got so many cars. The chances of me actually taking this thing out and using it like it deserves, like it should be used, it's like slim to none. I know me, and I'll get really excited about it like I am right now, and then I'll drive it around for a week, maybe 2, and then I'll get bored with it, and then I'll be ready to sell it again. I ought to just skip a step and let it go, man. I ought to just send it down the road and let it go, because it's probably never going to look as good as it looks again, as it looks right now. Again, I do need to put some tires on it, put some fresh rubber on this thing, and she'll be set. I'm so glad that Maaco was able to fix those windows. Like, Maaco was able to fix the windows, guys, and these are some very difficult windows to not only get working, but also to get working and sealing properly. These things have a tendency to slide and fall all over the place. So not only did Maaco do the body work and the paint work, and they did the stripe kit on it as well, but they were able to go in there and actually fix my windows for me. So this car looks like a proper convertible. Now, I try to make it a point to tell you guys what these paint jobs cost me so that you can see the kind of quality work that they do and get an idea of what the cost is for this work. I can guarantee you will not find anybody else that's going to do this kind of work for this kind of money. I paid $2,700 for all of this. $2,700 have the complete car reshot, painted from top to bottom, repainted, to install the stripe kit, and to fix both of my back windows as well. Now, yeah, it took a little time to get it done. This wasn't done in 2 days. This wasn't done in a week. All right, it took a little while. But I know the quality of their paint jobs, and I also know that their prices are, it's not just competitive, nobody else can touch them. All right, and because of that, if it takes a little longer to get the work done, hey, I'm fine with that, man. So go into this with realistic expectations. Are you going to get a car that comes back and looks exactly the way it did when it came off the showroom floor? Probably not, all right? Nothing is perfect, but are you gonna get a damn good, high quality paint job that you can be proud of for a really good price? Absolutely. All day, every day. I mean, it speaks for itself. This thing is stunning. It's an absolute stunner now, and I would be proud to drive this car anywhere, any day of the week. Absolutely, man. So again, if you want to reach out to Maaco, holler at them. 1740 Topeka Drive, and that is in Norman, Oklahoma. Ask for Paul or Sean. They will get you guys taken care of. Just for kicks, I pulled them up for you guys, all right? Perfect 5-star rating. They have 15 reviews. Remember, this is they just opened this location, all right? 5-star reviews, perfect. 15. If you guys have used them, definitely go give them a solid review. Only do it if you've used them, okay? And remember, not all Maacos are created equal. You cannot just go to the one down the street from your house and expect you're gonna get this kind of a paint job for this kind of a price. Doesn't work that way. It's got to be this one. 1740 Topeka Drive, Norman, Oklahoma. And the number is 405-252-9995. Give them a holler. Tell them Randy from YouTube sent you, and to the entire team at that Maaco location, thank you so much for another magnificent job. With that, I'm going to get out of here, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and let me know. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.